Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area on 6:30 p.m. after the sunset. If you want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on September 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we are in Sahadewa street. So this is the situation at the moment in Sahadewa street. In this area is very famous for the shopping area, because in Sahadewa there is not so much hotel, but mostly shop and art market. So this is the situation at the moment in Sahadewa street. It looks very quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, from Sahadewa street we turn left and we will explore Melasti street a little bit. In Melasti street there is a lot of hotel and also art market. So that's why before the pandemic corona in around here is always busy. It's big hotel right side, some shop right side and left side. You see left side, there is art market. It is closed because already 6:30 p.m. You see, there is a lot of car and motorbike just passing me. They just coming back from Kuta beach for the sunset. Okay, from Melasti street we turn right and then we will explore Legian street. You see at the front left side there is Grandma's Hotel. Okay guys, I'm gonna say I'm really sorry because this quality camera in the night time is not really good, but I tried to show you how look like the situation at the moment in Kuta area. You see left side, there is a restaurant and some people there have dinner. Wow, I'm really happy to see that. And Kuta beach is already open since yesterday, so that's why yesterday was really busy on the beach. Okay guys, we continue driving to explore Legian street. You see left side? There is a lot of shop still closed. As we know together, Legian is very famous street in Kuta area. And also before the pandemic corona, this area will be very busy because there is a lot hotel, restaurant and shop in this area. So that's why a lot of people go to this area to do some shopping and go to dinner. You see in the right side, there is also a restaurant. Some people there. I'm really happy. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video, because I believe there is a lot of people want to know the update situation in Bali, also Kuta area. But you see, during the pandemic corona in September 2021, Bali still look quiet. You see? Still very quiet, isn't it? I'm really sorry about that. I'm very sad. You see left side? Love Hotel. Some people there. I'm really happy. And you see, there is a lot more bike parking. That's good. I think they're really happy because the beach is already open. So that's why they are driving around in Kuta area. You see also left side, there is 101 Hotel. Yeah, that's quiet. Actually, Legian street also is very famous during the night time because in the central of Legian there is a lot night bar like Sky Garden, Engine Room, VIP, Apache, Bounty Club and Paddy's Pub. But since the pandemic corona, Kuta area is very quiet. And for bit information, is some beach in Bali is already open. Also some tourism attraction. And also the mall also is already open. So we hope this is the sign Bali will be getting better. And our government will open the border for international. So a lot of tourists from other country come to Bali to make a vacation. And then Bali business rise up again like before, getting normal. Okay guys, now we will reach the central of Legian Street. So in this area there is a monument, Ground Zero. We'll take a stop for a few minutes. You see left side, there is VIP night bar, but they still closed. Yeah, there is Ground Zero and some people sitting down there on the sidewalk. Yeah, VIP still closed. We hope it will be open soonly. Okay, now we continue driving to keep explore Legian Street. You see left side? Actually, this is Sky Garden, but Sky Garden also closed. Right side, engine room, but also closed. Okay, now in the left side there is Apache, Paddy's Pub and Dante Club, also closed. It's very sad, isn't it? It's very quiet. Usually before the pandemic corona, in this area the traffic jam for sure in the night time, because there's a lot of people going to the bar. But now, easy driving, it's like nothing. But I'm still really happy because there is a lot motorbike drive around on the street. I think they just been to the beach to see the sunset. But if you see the shop, right side and left side, there is still a lot of shop closed. And some already open. I'm really happy to see that. You see, right side, the shop is open. Left side, also the shop is open. Right side, the shop is open. I'm really happy to see that. There is some shop is already open, right side. I'm really happy. Okay guys, at the front there is Bemo Corner. If I turn left, that is the way to go to Denpasar. But I will drive to the right side to explore Raya Kuta Street until to the beach. So this is Raya Kuta Street. It looks very quiet, isn't it? And looks so dark in this area. And actually, before the pandemic corona, in this area is always busy because in this area there is a lot of shop and hotels. Also in this area is easy to go to the beach because Kuta Beach is only 5 minutes by walk. So that's why in this area usually very busy. I will say I'm really sorry because the quality of camera is really bad. I just use mobile phone to take this video. It's very quiet. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kuta area during the pandemic corona on September 2021. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.